Hello, my name's Sue and I'm from Sue's in the Shed, and today I'm going to show you how to join as you go granny squares. So this means there's no sewing, there's no crocheting them together. We literally, exactly as it says on the tin, we're going to join them up as we move along. So you can see that this one has got 4 rounds, 1, 2, 3, 4. This one's just got 3 rounds, and that's because on the 4th round we join it to that one. So if you want to know how to do a granny square, go and check my other videos, because I've got a couple on there that you can learn how to do them, and then come back and watch the joining one. So we're going to start, I've already done 1 chain, so 2, 3, and your 3 chain equals a treble, and we're just going to work this edge of the granny square as you would if you were just working it. So I'll just go ahead and do that. You can just sing to yourself, or watch some rubbishy advert, or flick in between this and Facebook while I do that, or maybe I could just fast forward it. I'll do that. Okay, so here we are, we've done 1 whole line to here, and this is where we normally do the chain 2. But what I'm going to do is just chain 1, and we're going to pick up your other granny square, and you're going to face them back to back, and I'm going to put my hook into this corner hole, and you're going to slip stitch. So you're going to fetch your yarn through them both, and then do another chain 1, and then we're going to go back to the granny square we were working on and work the 3 trebles. 1, 2, and 3. Now we're going to pick up the back loop, the back hole of this granny square again. So in between the next 2 clusters is a hole. Put your hook into that, and we're going to slip stitch it. And get rid of that one again, and we're going to go back to the first one and work 3 trebles. 1, 2, 3. So again, we go back to this back granny square, put your hook through the hole and slip stitch it. Back to the front one, next loop, and work 3 trebles. Sorry, next hole that should have been. Next hole. And again to the back one, hook through the hole and slip stitch it. Back to here. Now we're on the corner. We're going to work 3 trebles into the corner. 1, 2, 3. Now normally we chain 2 on a corner, so we're going to chain 1, and we're going to do the slip stitch in between. So you put your hook into that hole, slip stitch it, chain 1, and then you go back to do your other set of 3 trebles in the same hole, which is your corner. And just carry on as normal, your 3 trebles into all your spaces that you would normally work into. I don't need to go all the way around, because I'm sure you've got the gist by now, and you've probably even turned it off, but just in case you're still here, I'll show you the important bit. So that is your join as you go. Hope this has been useful. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye for now.